Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to move Start menu to left Windows 11. To start, right-click on the taskbar to choose the taskbar settings option. You can check the original position of Start menu. After this, click on Taskbar Behaviors. Then, under Taskbar Alignment, open the drop-down field and select the left option. You will see that the Start menu is now in the left position. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.